Welcome to my little vacation video that I am doing because I love my wife. We are in Reykjavik, or we are in a little town called Kirkjubæjarklaustur, which is hard to pronounce when you're not used to it. But we didn't go out and do anything really exciting today because of some weather. It's very windy. I'm looking outside and it looks like this bus parked in the parking lot's about to be flipped end over end. But on the roof of this hotel here, they have this nice little greenhouse thing, so you can sit in there out of the wind looking for the northern lights. And it's great, but the winds are like 40 miles an hour. So if we just kind of go in there now, it kind of sounds like the structure is trying to come down and murder me. I mean, look at this thing. It's definitely not a good sensation. I'm going to leave. Goodbye.